Isaac Newton's life story. Early life. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the most influential scientists in history, was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England, or December 25, 1642, under the old Julian calendar. His father, a farmer, died before he was born, and his premature birth left him a small and frail child. Raised by his grandmother after his mother remarried, Newton grew up in relative isolation but showed early signs of intellectual brilliance. Newton attended the King's School in Grantham, where he developed a passion for mechanics and mathematics. In 1661, he entered Trinity College, Cambridge, where he would later revolutionize the world of science. Scientific revolution. While at Cambridge, Newton absorbed the works of great thinkers like Galileo, Descartes, and Kepler. The Great Plague of 1665 to 1666 forced the university to temporarily close, and Newton returned to his family estate. This period, known as his Annus Mirabilis, Year of Wonders, marked the beginning of his groundbreaking discoveries. Laws of motion and gravity. Newton formulated the three laws of motion, which became the foundation of classical mechanics. His most famous discovery, the law of universal gravitation, was inspired, as legend has it, by an apple falling from a tree. Calculus. Independently developed calculus, though contested by Leibniz, providing the mathematical tools to describe change and motion. Optics. Newton studied light and color, demonstrating that white light is a combination of all colors. He also invented the reflecting telescope, a significant improvement over existing designs. Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Principia. In 1687, Newton published Principia, considered one of the most important works in the history of science. In this book, he presented his laws of motion and the universal law of gravitation, which explained the motion of celestial bodies and objects on Earth. Later, life and contributions. Newton's brilliance extended beyond science. He studied alchemy, theology, and philosophy, producing extensive writings on these subjects. In 1696, he became the warden of the Royal Mint, later serving as its master, where he helped reform England's currency and combat counterfeiting. In 1703, Newton was elected president of the Royal Society and was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705, becoming Sir Isaac Newton. Personality and challenges. Newton was a complex individual known for his intense focus and a somewhat reclusive personality. He had contentious relationships with contemporaries, notably with German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, over the invention of calculus. Legacy and death. Isaac Newton passed away on March 31, 1727, in London. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, an honor reflecting his immense contributions to humanity. Newton's work laid the foundation for modern science, influencing fields from physics to engineering. His principles of motion and gravitation remained unchallenged until Einstein's theory of relativity in the 20th century. To this day, Newton's genius serves as an inspiration for scientists and thinkers worldwide.